Now I want to show you a few things for hems, because that's also something you will do every day and you need to know how to do it. First, let's look at these classic hems. One of the hems here is turned in and one is simply overlocked and then stitched through the center, which both is absolutely possible. So those are the machine hemmed edges, and all I have to do is to take my ironing board. This is actually so simple. Some of you will say this wasn't worth showing, but here it is anyway. I'm going to turn up my edge, and most of you won't measure this. Most of you get a feeling for this pretty quick sticks. It's just under a centimeter, and then you turn it up to whatever the hem had to be. So if it was 1.5 or 2, then it's 2, right? But the one thing that a lot of people do is that just simply do it on the sewing machine, right? So up to you how you want to do it. You can now stand here and measure it or do it straight on the sewing machine. So I'm not going to do that. We're going to do it with the very simple way of just turning it in. And of course, I'll show you that now. So I just fold it over to where it needs to go and put my presser foot on there. So if I wanted it to be 1.5 or 2, say 2, then I march it up to the 2 just a little bit more so I know where I'm going. Just fold it over to the 2, and I do the same again here. You see, I go over, make it nice and straight, okay, and then I'll just guide it in. And I more or less, once I know this is the right distance that I've put in, I more or less look here and here. I don't look at the needle. And it doesn't really matter whether or not it comes a bit closer or a bit further away. It's the outside you see, and from the outside, this counts more than where the needle is there. So if you slip a little bit in, doesn't really matter. Better to have it straight, right? So I'm just going to go high. If you're a beginner, you might want to press this in, or you could pin it so it's just the right height. And experienced people really should try it just by the seat of their pants, because after a while it comes out perfectly straight and you don't even have to like work hard at it anymore. It's just practice. But if you never practice it and you forever pin it, you won't get there, right? But if it's the first time you do it, pin it. All that is left to do here is to press it. And if you're making a lot of children's clothes, you probably just overlock it, turn it up, stitch through it, and bob's your uncle. And at the end of the day, they should both look absolutely perfect, and that's how you do a hem.